Let's do an Apple hardware engineering internship interview question on Voltage Learning. Awesome guys, here we are on Voltage Learning, and let's click on Question Bank and scroll all the way down to the Apple interview questions. Let's click on question number 1 here and take some time to read the prompt. Pause the video here if you want to take just a bit of a closer look at it. First, let's press the Help Me Learn button to get a bit of an understanding of the context behind the question. After we've done that, let's jump right into it. For this question, I would start by measuring the power rail in 2 places. First, I would measure right at the regulator output, then I would measure again close to the load. That helps me see whether the ripple is really coming from. If the ripple is already large at the regulator output, then the regulator response is probably the main issue. If the signal looks much worse near the load, then the board layout or the power path is likely making the problem worse. Next, I would change the load step and see how the ripple changes. If a bigger or faster load change creates more ripple, then the load behavior is clearly part of the problem. After that, I would inspect the nearby bypass parts, the power trace, and the ground return path. So my thought process is to compare the signal at the source and at the load, then change the load conditions, and then check the physical layout. That helps me separate whether the main cause is the regulator, the board layout, or the load itself. And that's essentially it. Let's check our answer and see what grade we get here. Awesome, 90% is exactly how you land that internship.